Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm one of the peer advisors at Marshall College. Welcome to the third grade Marshall College video tutorial on transfer agreements and general education requirements for transfer students. In this video, we will discuss eligibility and requirements for different types of transfer agreements, as well as how these agreements will affect your GE requirements. Though we often group transfer students together, there are several variations within this broad category which may affect your experience as well as GE requirements. If you transferred from a California community college, you may have completed the Intersegmental General Education Transfer Curriculum, otherwise known as IGETC. IGETC is a series of courses that transfer students attending California community colleges may complete to satisfy lower division GE requirements across the UC campuses. If you started IGETC but did not complete all of the requirements, you may qualify for partial IGETC. For partial IGETC status, you may be deficient no more than 2 requirements before transferring to UC San Diego. If you transferred from another campus within the University of California or UC system and completed all lower division GE requirements prior to transferring to UC San Diego, you may qualify for UC Reciprocity. If you do not meet any of the criteria for the transfer agreements that were described, you are considered an Articulation student. We will look into each of these transfer agreements more closely. First, we'll discuss transfer students with IGETC certification. If you transferred from a California community college and completed all IGETC requirements prior to transferring to UC San Diego, you may be IGETC certified. Please keep in mind that some community colleges do not include IGETC with your course transcripts. You should ask to have both your transcripts and your certification mailed to the UC San Diego Office of Admissions so that they can be verified and posted to your academic history. Later in this video, I will discuss how to check your academic history to confirm your IGETC. If you are verified as IGETC, you will be cleared from all your lower division GE requirements for Marshall College and will only need to complete 2 upper division disciplinary breadth GE requirements. If you transferred from a California community college and followed IGETC but did not complete all of the requirements, you may have partial IGETC status. To qualify for partial IGETC, you can be deficient no more than 2 requirements prior to transferring to UC San Diego. Be sure to have your official partial IGETC certification sent directly to the UC San Diego Office of Admissions. As a reminder, this certification may be separate from your course transcripts. Students with partial IGETC status will be required to complete any deficient areas from their IGETC, as well as the 2 upper division disciplinary breadth GE requirements. We recommend that you meet with an academic counselor at Marshall College during the fall quarter to discuss your options for completing your missing IGETC areas. To verify that your IGETC or partial IGETC has been certified by UC San Diego, check your degree audit on Triton Link. First, log onto tritonlink.ucsd.edu and find the section titled Triton Link Tools. A link to view your degree audit is located under the section titled Advising Tools. Once you are on your degree audit, you will be looking for the College Requirements section. If your certification has been posted, you will see the words IGETC status or partial IGETC status. If you transferred from another campus within the UC system and completed all lower division GE requirements prior to transferring to UC San Diego, you may qualify for UC Reciprocity. To be certified, you must have your original campus submit a letter of reciprocity on university letterhead that certifies that you completed all lower division GE requirements at your previous UC campus to Thurgood Marshall Academic Advising. Our mailing address is as follows: Thurgood Marshall Academic Advising, 9500 Gilman Drive, MC 0509, La Jolla, California 92093. Alternatively, you may have your letter of reciprocity sent electronically to the Marshall Advising office. Our email address is tncadvising@ucsd.edu. If you are certified for UC Reciprocity, you will be cleared from all lower division GE requirements for Marshall College and will only need to complete 2 upper division disciplinary breadth GE requirements. If you are missing no more than two of your lower division GE requirements from your previous CC campus, we recommend that you meet with an academic counselor at Marshall during your fall quarter to discuss your options. If you do not fall into one of the transfer agreement categories that I previously described, you may be considered an articulation student. Articulation is the process of determining UC San Diego course equivalents for transfer coursework. Articulation students must complete all GE requirements that cannot be satisfied through the transfer coursework. Your transfer coursework will be evaluated to determine your remaining GE requirements. You should plan to meet with an academic counselor at Marshall College during the fall to discuss your transfer coursework. To review, if you have been certified as having IGATE or UC Reciprocity, you will be cleared from all lower division GE requirements at Marshall College. You will need to complete just two upper division disciplinary breadth GE courses. If you have partial IGETC, you must complete any deficient IGETC areas, as well as two upper division disciplinary breadth GE requirements. Articulation students must complete all GE requirements that were not satisfied through transfer coursework. This information and additional information about GE requirements can be found on the Marshall College website. To access our academic advising website, visit marshall.ucsd.edu. Click on Academics, then General Education Requirements. Here you will find more information on general education requirements, such as the Upper Division Disciplinary Breadth requirement. We encourage you to also watch our webinar on reading your degree audit. Understanding your degree audit is vital for understanding your transfer agreements and remaining GE requirements. Thank you so much for watching this presentation. I know that was a lot of information, but we hope that you now have a better understanding of transfer agreements and GE requirements at Marshall College. If you have any questions about your first quarter courses or the specifics of your GE requirements, please contact us through the Virtual Advising Center or schedule an appointment to meet with an advisor.